Are you looking for the best garage heater? In this video, we will top garage heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best garage heaters, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Mr. Heater Big Max F260550. This compact heater can easily warm a 3-car garage without costing a fortune. Its powered exhaust is designed for either horizontal or vertical venting, and the included remote makes it easy to change your settings. While fairly compact, it's quite a beast as far as heat output is concerned. The 50,000 BTU Big Max is designed to run off of natural gas. You can use the accompanying liquid propane conversion kit to increase your options. Note that the unit requires a minimum 8-foot ground clearance, but only 1 inch of ceiling clearance. The fact that the Big Max can heat up to 1,250 square feet makes it an excellent space heater for large room use. The unit can heat large spaces quickly and maintains good temperature stability in even uninsulated garages. Unlike similar models, the Big Max is relatively quiet, adding yet another reason to it being the best natural gas garage heater in its class. Several consumers have received this heater damaged due to packaging that could definitely be improved upon. In many cases, the damage was only been a few dings to the outer shell. However, in more extreme instances, the internals were affected, causing a normally quiet heater to vibrate or generate a lot of noise. At number 2 we have the Fahrenheit Fu H54 240 volts garage heater. This 7,500 watt 240 volts ceiling mounted electric heater is designed to allow angling over a 90-degree arc between vertical and horizontal. A durable epoxy coating helps protect the cabinet from corrosion. In the event of overheating, the Fahrenheit Fu H724 is designed to automatically shut off for improved safety until its internal temperature returns to normal levels. Designed to handle smaller 1 or 2 bay insulated garages up to about 750 square feet, this unit puts out over 25,000 BTUs of heat and can quickly bring up the temperature of a medium-sized garage to comfortable working conditions. The small size might make it seem like a poor choice, but the internal thermostat maintains the temperature you set with ease, making it highly efficient compared to many larger models. There have been some concerns over the wiring in some units. Some users have reported bad wires upon delivery, while others have reported experiencing electrical arcs. As these issues aren't very common, it could have been a matter of defective units slipping through QC. At number 3 we have the Fahrenheit Fu H54 electric garage heater. The little brother of the Fu H724, this 240-volt electric heater uses between 2,500 and 5,000 watts to put out about 17,000 BTUs of heat. Its single-pole thermostat can be adjusted from 45 to 135 degree Fahrenheit. The louvers on the Fu H54 allow you to direct the flow of heat, while the ceiling mount makes horizontal or vertical mounting a snap. This Fahrenheit model covers up to 500 square feet and is popular for those with smaller garages or if only needing to heat up a section of a garage. While it will eventually heat a larger area, it won't be as efficient at that as a larger model. The blower on the fan only starts once it reaches the desired temperature. This function not only saves money, but the lower running temperatures make it an incredibly safe garage heater that won't burn out anytime soon. Some users have reported vibrations or rattling coming from the unit. In many cases, the boxes appeared to have either broken open during transit or were repackages, suggesting that these customers have received refurbished units. Note also that this unit was designed to be hardwired, so it lacks some features typical of plug-and-play models. At number 4 we have the DynaGlo Deluxe RMCFA60DGD. This powerful forced air unit is arguably the best propane heater for a garage or workshop in its class. The most popular selling model puts out between 30,000 and 60,000 BTUs of continuous heat. You can keep a 1,350 square foot shop or garage toasty warm. Larger versions, up to 300,000 BTUs, are also available for large garages or commercial applications. A 10-foot hose and regulator are included, while the unit is designed to keep a very low PSI for optimum BTU output in even frigid weather. Safety isn't overlooked, and this unit has an auto shutoff to prevent overheating. For such a small unit, this heater can really pack a punch. Its size and portable nature make it the perfect choice for a wide range of environments. It's one of best indoor heaters for large rooms, but can also be used to heat a structure when vacationing in a small cabin or similar rustic facility. Quality control is the biggest issue with this heater. While the vast majority function without a hitch, the odd defect can slip through, such as a faulty thermocouple. As with any tool or device, always be sure to test the unit upon arrival to ensure you didn't get a flawed one. At number 5 we have the Dr. Heater DR966 Infrared Shop Heater. This hardwired 240-volt heater is perfect for a garage-based workshop and is designed to be mounted on either the wall or ceiling. An 8-inch fan distributes heated air with minimum noise, while the 5 adjustable louvers MLET focus that air where it's needed most. Once installed, this unit and its 20,500 BTUs can quickly warm up a room to the point you can dress for summer while working in the garage. Its 2 heat settings are enough to cover most garages up to 600 square feet, and the low setting will work fine for all but the largest spaces. Also, note that you can save money by setting the unit up to focus air on a specific workspace, allowing you to be nice and warm even if you kept the unit off when not present. Many of the complaints regarding this model seem to stem from a single internal wire. When this wire is loose, it has a major effect on the amount of heat produced by the unit, but is very easy to repair. In the event you notice poor heat production in your post-purchase testing, check for this loose wire before sending in for a replacement. So that sums up the top garage heaters. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.